Hey everyone, welcome back. When you're managing a high-end portfolio management strategy, especially in 2026, finding stocks with strong mortgage refinancing exposure is a critical way to ensure a tax-efficient growth. With the current market shifts, institutional ownership is moving heavily in the sector to capture massive capital gains. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to find those tickers before they explode. To get started, first open up Finviz, then click on the screener tab at the top. To get the granular control we need for the sector, we need to click on the All button on the filter bar. This opens up every single metric the tool has to offer. And we're going to be using this filter to filter out all of the noise and find only the highest quality equity research candidates. We're going to be looking for companies that excel in risk-adjusted returns because in the lending space, liquidity is everything. First, we need to set our geographic and size constraints. Go to the country drop down and select USA. We want to stick to domestic markets to avoid currency risk and ensure we're looking at companies directly impacted by the Federal Reserve's moves. Next, go to market cap. We're going to be setting this to $2 billion and above, mid cap and above. We need to establish players with a market cap of at least $2 billion to ensure they have the institutional weight to survive macro shifts. Now for the price, set this to over $20. This is a vital filter because many high-ticket asset allocation funds have mandates that prevent them from buying anything under the $20 mark. Now let's niche down into the industry. Under sector, select financial. For the industry, choose mortgage finance. This is the core sector for mortgage refinancing and loan origination volume. To ensure these companies have the free cash flow and EBITDA stability to handle the 2026 investment rate environment, we're going to add our own quality filters. Set the institutional ownership to over 30%. We want to see the smart money is already anchored here and they're not taking as much of a risk, providing a nice floor for our portfolio management. Finally, set option short to optionable and shortable. This ensures we have the ability to engage in margin trading or use hedging strategies to protect our equity. Now take a second to look at the list that's generating now. By applying these specific filters, you've narrowed down thousands of stocks into just a couple of elite candidates that meet a professional equity research standard. These companies are the ones being tucked into 401ks and Roth IRA accounts by the big players right now. Move your eyes down and transition to the charts tab at the bottom of the Finviz results. We need to see the price action visually. As we scan through, Rocket Company stands out as a primary candidate. It doesn't have the best chart, but a primary candidate. It has the volume and the industry dominance we need. Now that we have Rocket Mortgage on our radar, let's open it up inside of TradingView to see if any smart money is actually involved. Now on TradingView, our first stop is the Smart Money Concepts tool. I'm going to be using the one by LuxAlgo, but feel free to use whichever one you like. We are looking for where the big orders are sitting. On the chart for RKT, we can clearly identify the major support and resistance zones right now. This thing is absolutely struggling, as you guys can see. It has broken through several minor supports and currently free falling towards that $12 demand zone. What we are looking for specifically, however, is a change of character in the bullish direction, but we haven't seen it yet. Until we see a shift in market structure, this is a falling knife scenario. We have to cross-reference this with our oscillators to see if the bleeding is stopping anytime soon. If you look at the MACD at the bottom of the screen, you're going to see a heavy bearish divergence that is accelerating downwards, and the histogram is getting deeper red, which is showing us that the sellers are in full control right now, which is not where you want to be buying. Next, we're going to check out the Stochastic and the RSI. The Stochastic is buried in the oversold zone, but it's still pointed straight down. There's no curl or crossover yet to indicate this drop is stopping. More importantly, look at the RSI. There is no bounce off the 30 level. It's currently cutting through the 30 like butter, heading towards extreme oversold territory. This tells us that liquidity is exiting the stock rapidly, and that's not a good thing. Now, we also have to check for momentum shifts, but the price is dropping and the RSI is dropping with it, confirming the downward pressure. When we looked at the fundamentals like EBITDA and free cash flow, RKT has the numbers to survive, but the technical setup is currently a massive warning sign. We are seeing a major breakdown at structural support, and the smart money isn't stepping in to buy the dip just yet. So the verdict on RKT is that while it passed our Finviz filters for high quality mortgage refinancing plays, the TradingView confirmation is a no-go for now, a negatory. We need to wait for that MACD to flatten and the RSI to show a confirmed reversal before we commit any capital gains to this position. Now, if this system helped your portfolio strategy, hit that like button and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, today's sponsor is Weeks, a global crypto trading exchange where you can trade hundreds of cryptocurrencies, use futures and spot markets, and even copy expert traders, all from one secure platform. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. Thanks.